Okay, so this is going to be a review on solving triangles using trig ratios. So go ahead, pause the video, try this problem, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So the first thing I'm going to solve for is x. Okay, well I noticed that I have this 30 degrees here, and I have this 8 here. Well, according to this angle, this would be opposite, and this is my hypotenuse. Okay, well, which trig ratio uses opposite and hypotenuse? That's sine. So I'm going to have sine of 30 is equal to x, opposite, over my hypotenuse, which is 8. Okay, now I want to solve for x. I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to multiply by 8. Multiply by 8. Here I get 8 times the sine of 30 is equal to x. Okay, so then I can plug that into my calculator. Right here. So I'm going to have 8 times the sine of 30, like that. Hit enter, and I get 4. So x is equal to 4. Okay, so there's x. Now I need to find y. Now at first, it looks like I do not have enough information to solve for y. But if I notice here, this is a right angle right here. Okay. Well, if this is a right angle, that means this whole other side has to be a right angle. Well, if this is 30, and this whole thing adds up to 90, well, I know I can find that angle right there. I'm going to do 90 minus 30, which is 50 degrees. $60. Sorry. Okay, well, now that I have that, I have this side, which is the adjacent, and I have this side, which is still my hypotenuse. Okay, well, which trig ratio uses adjacent and hypotenuse? Cosine. So I'm going to have cosine of 60 degrees is equal to adjacent, y, over my hypotenuse. Well, I'm going to solve for y, so I'm going to multiply by 8. Multiply by 8. So now I have 8 times the cosine of 60 degrees is equal to y. I could plug that into my calculator. I have 8 times the cosine of 60. And enter. I also get 4. So x is equal to 4 and y is also equal